Yo, what's good, travelers? Welcome back to Travel Kitco. I'm beyond pumped to share some epic news that's going to make your airport trips way less of a headache. The Department of Homeland Security just canned the TSA's shoes off rule. No more juggling your shoes while trying not to faceplant in the security line. Let's unpack this game changer, dive into why it's taken 24 years to get here, and figure out how it's going to make your life easier. So, quick throwback. Ever since that shoe bomber scare in 2001, most of us have had to kick off our shoes at TSA checkpoints, unless you're rocking TSA PreCheck, under 12 or over 75. It's been a total vibe killer, slowing down lines and leaving us tiptoeing on sketchy floors. But on July 8, 2025, DHS Secretary Kristi Noem dropped the mic in DC, announcing that you can now keep your shoes on at every U.S. airport security checkpoint, effective right away. She said, "We're modernizing the travel experience, cutting wait times, and making things smoother for everyone." After over 2 decades, why the switch? It's all about smarter security that doesn't make you feel like you're in a bad rom-com. The secret sauce behind this? Two big upgrades. First, those fancy 3D CT scanners are like X-ray vision on steroids. They spin around your bags and shoes, snapping super detailed 3D pics that show TSA exactly what's up. No need to pull your sneakers off for a separate scan. They can spot tiny stuff like a rogue liquid or weird material in a heartbeat. Second, 94% of you are using Real ID compliant licenses, the ones with the little star. These bad boys are secure, tamper-proof, and let TSA verify you're you without extra hoops. Together, these mean TSA can keep things locked down tight while letting you breeze through. The payoff? Lines at places like LAX and Atlanta are already moving up to 20% faster, and you don't have to stress about flashing your socks or stepping on mystery gunk. More time for that airport smoothie, am I right? This is part of a bigger plan by the Trump administration to make travel feel like a golden age. They've also rolled out cool stuff like the Serve with Honor, Travel with Ease program on July 2nd, 2025, hooking up service members and their families with cheaper TSA PreCheck and faster lanes at some airports. For you, this means saving 5 to 10 minutes at security, keeping your whole look on point, and less hassle overall. My tip: rock slip-on shoes and pack light to maximize the vibes, but heads up, TSA might still ask for a shoe check if something's off. Still thinking about TSA PreCheck? For $85 bucks over 5 years. It's a steal if you fly a lot. Keep your belt, jacket, and laptop in your bag. Not everyone's doing a happy dance, though. Some flight attendants are salty that DHS didn't chat with them first, and privacy folks are raising eyebrows about facial recognition tech linked to Real ID. So, what's your vibe on this? Hyped to keep your shoes on, or got some worries? Hit me up in the comments. That's the Travel Tea. Subscribe, tap that like button, and let's keep making travel less of a circus. Catch you on the next flight.